unloading filament. This video is about unloading filament. So the filament is the wire that we're going to take out. Unloading is fairly easy. Press material and unload. Once the extruder head is heated up sufficiently so that it will release the filament and start to back out, the machine will automatically back it out for you. Now that we're up to temperature, we'll begin to loosen out. I want to wind the spool up very gently as it comes out. And when it's done backing out, there we go. I can put it into one of the holes on the side so it stays where I want it. I can push the done button. I can push both of these tabs down as I pull off. I can get a new spool of filament and I can load it on again. So this is how you unload the filament from the machine.